Alright guys, so we're gonna be, we probably won't be able to turn in. Actually, we probably still can, I don't know. But there's gonna be a fire alarm activation here at the sewage treatment plant here. I'll catch you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so we're gonna be turning into the main entrance now. My mom goes down here all the time. She took me down a few times before too, guys, so we're gonna be coming down here. I know my way around pretty cool then. Yeah. Hi guys, Dennis.
Well, I'm trying to see if I see anything fire related. And I don't.
I see lights up. Alright guys, we're gonna catch you when I get down to there. Guys, look at this, there's a big train here. Canadian Pacific. That's all the way from Canada, guys. Alright, again, we'll see you. Alright guys, so we could not find the emergency call. If you do know where that was, please leave in the comments below. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.